We're vlogging today. I'm going to pick my car up from a vending machine. We'll see how it goes. Also, my makeup in this light looks rough. Oh well. Oh, there we go.
Your vending machine car.
My car's in there.
I'm like, I should have turned right here.
I'm glad I did everything online yesterday. That would have took so much more time. My car's all the way up there. It's like, could you imagine if this place still had?
I know, right?
Kiss me. You can't see anything on the phone. It's pretty. I'm glad I did everything online yesterday. That would have took so much more time. My car's all the way up there. It's like, oh, could you imagine if this place fell out?
I know, right?
It'll piss me. You remember trying to move the car? You can't see anything on the phone. Oh, it's pretty. I'm glad you picked for me. Yeah, I think so too. I don't think I would have been happy with the orange one after I got it down here. It's so cute. This is cool. The coin's a little cheesy, but it's cool. My vlog. I am excited. I've never had like a new car like this.
Right?